Imagine a magnet that works only when you want it to. Turn on the switch, it becomes a magnet. Turn off the switch, magnet disappears. Is that even possible? Yes! Today we'll learn about electromagnets. Hello Cubs, welcome back to Curious Cub, where science becomes super easy and fun. In the last episode we learned about magnetic field, and today we'll learn how electricity can create a magnet. First question, what is an electromagnet? An electromagnet is a magnet that is made using electricity. When electric current flows through a wire, it creates a magnetic field, and when we wrap that wire around an iron core, it behaves like a magnet. But remember this important point, it works only when current is flowing. Switch off the current, and the magnet disappears. Let's see how we can make one at home. Materials needed: iron nail, copper wire, battery. Steps: wrap the copper wire around the iron nail. Connect both ends of wire to the battery. Make sure current is flowing. Now bring small iron objects like pins. They will get attracted. That means you just created an electromagnet. Okay, let's understand its special properties. First, it can be turned on and off. How cool is that? The strength can also be controlled, which means you can make it as strong or as weak as you need. And it's a temporary magnet, so it doesn't stay a magnet forever. This, honestly, makes electromagnets super useful in all kinds of machines. Electromagnets are used everywhere, you know. For example, they're in electric bells, those big cranes that lift heavy metal, electric motors, and even speakers. So, next time you see a crane lifting iron, remember, it's actually an electromagnet in action. Alright Cubs, let's test your brain. Here's the question. What happens when current is switched off in an electromagnet? Is it A, it becomes stronger, B, it loses magnetism, or C, nothing happens? Go ahead and comment your answer below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Curious Cub. And in the next episode we'll learn all about episode 4, the strength of electromagnets, where we'll figure out how to make electromagnets even more powerful. See you next time.